Exercise 3, see question number 1. I'll just write without the inequality symbols. This is the table show the masses in kilograms. Cones, fine cones. Uh, so this is 7. We'll do. This is going to be 7 plus 18, 25, and 25 plus 34, 5 plus 4, 9, 69, 69, actually 59, 59, 59 plus 41 is going to be 100, 100 plus 15, 115, and 115 plus 120. So this is the cumulative curve. So the mm, in terms of coordinate is going to be 1.27, 1.2 and 7, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, 2, 2.2, and this is going to be 7, 25, 59, 108, 115, and 120. Now we will draw the graph. I draw this axis 1, 1.2, 1.2 by this is 2 and 2.2 by zero point 0.2, and this is 10 up to 120 here. So let me draw the graph first. So the starting value is the lower boundary of this one. So 1 and 0. So 1 and 0 is here. So starting point is 1 and 0. And then 1.27. So 1.27 is somewhere here. So this is the value. Then 1.425. This is the value. And 1.639. This is 40. So it's going to be this one. And 1.808. So this is 100, 108. So this is the point. And then when it's 2, 115. So 110, 115 here. So it is going to be 2. Yeah, so this is the value. And 2.2, that is going to be 120. So this value. Now we can draw the graph. Smooth, it should be a smooth curve. I feel that this length is not accurate. It has to be somewhere here, then 1.6, and then this is the point. Then it's going to be, yes, something like this. So according to my scale, this is this kind of graph, and we know this is always a increasing graph. This is the important thing about the cumulative graph. It is an increasing graph. It means when you get dy by dx, always positive. First question is draw the frequency table. Part B is draw the cumulative, estimate the median. So median, there are summation f is 120 and median n divided by 2, 120 divided by 2 is 60th term. So we want to find the 60th term. This is 60. Um, so this is the value I'm expecting. So that is value is going to be 1 point. I rework this curve bit. Now this is 60. 59 term. We know that 59 term is 1.6 at 59. It means we need 60th. So this is always almost on that line, 60th one. It is just above the 59. And yeah, it is almost 1.6 point something. So we can tell that still approximately 1.6 median. If you won't find exactly, you can use the interpolation, which we know now. And part C, find the interquartile range uh, and the 10th and 90th interpersonal range. So now we want to calculate Q1. Q1 means 120 divided by 4, that is going to be 30th term. And Q3 is going to be 120 by 3. This is 330 times 3, 90th term. So we want to find this value, Q1 and Q3. So 30th terms is going to be around somewhere. So we will get 1.43 and Q3, that is 90th term. So it's going to be somewhere here. So this you will get approximately 1.75. Then IQR is going to be 1.75 minus 1.43, that is 0.3 dkg. And then P10 is 120 minus 100 divided by we need a 10th, yeah, 10th. This is going to be 12th term. So P10 you may get around 1.25 approximately. Then P10th, this is the 10th term, 1.25. And P90, 120 divided by 100 multiplied by 90. This is going to be 8 term. So 108 is somewhere here. So that is 1.9, approximately 1. So interpercentile range, P90 minus P10 equal 1.9 minus 1.25 equals 0.5 kg. So to To draw the box plot, I need minimum, it is 1, the lower boundary of first class interval, and the maximum upper boundary of last class interval, and minimum and the median. I think in my previous discussion I missed the median on the box plot. So this value 1.43 and this value 1.75, this is the median, and minimum is 1, so whiskers is up to 1, and this is going to be 2.2 up to here whiskers. So this is going to be the mass. Question number 2. So this is the Earth 170. So we'll find the few cumulative. This is 3. 3 plus 3 is 13, 16. 16 plus 30. 30 plus 26, 56. 56 plus 10, 66. 66, and there is 8.52. 9. So that is 4, then it is going to be 70. So this is the minimum value and this is the maximum value when we need to draw if we need to draw a box plot. The coordinate is going to be 6.53. The starting point is 60, this one. Then 6.53, 6.53, then 716, then 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9. So upper boundaries. And this is 16, 30, 56, 66, and 70. Now we have to draw. The first thing is draw the cumulative frequency. As usual, I will make the layout. I'll start the graph. So I'll start with 5, 5.5, 6.5, 7.9 for like that. So start with 60 from this point. 6.53. So this is 10. This is half of 5. This is somewhere here. So this is the point. And then 7.5, it is 30. It is 6.7 when it is 16. So 15 here. So somewhere here. So this is this one. And 7.5. 7.5 is 30. And 8 is 56. So this is 50, 55, 56 somewhere. And 8.5, it is going to be 66 again somewhere here. And when it is 8, 9, 70. So this is the curve. So we will get a curve like this. So this is L and this is capital F. Now we can answer the question. The first one is estimate median and quartiles. So median is going to be median Q divided by 2, 70 divided by 2, 35th term. That is Q2. I will write Q2. What is 35th term? 35th terms almost it's going to be 7.5. 30. Actually, 30. This is the 35th, and you will get this value as 7.6. And Q1 is we will get 70 divided by 4. This is going to be 17.5 term. So Q1 is going to be 17.5. This is 10, 15, 16, and 17.25. This is the value. It's going to be 7.1 approximately. This is 7.1, and Q3 is 7.4 times 3, which is 17.5 times 3, which is 52.5 term. So Q3 is 52.5. So this is 50, 52 point. That is somewhere here. It's going to be almost approximately 8 centimeter. 8. Part C. Estimate how many earthworms are longer than 8.2 centimeters. So then we want to find 8.2 centimeters. So somewhere here. So we want to find 8.4 meters, 8.2 meters. So this is 8.2. Then we are going up to this one, up to this curve and this point. Then we'll go and identify the value of this one. This value is approximately 62. Now we need how many earthworms are longer than. It means longer than is this is the area. So then this is the longer amount. It means 70 minus 62. So there are 8 worms more than 62. Then shorter than 7.3. Then it's going to be shorter than 7.3 from 0 to 7.3 somewhere. So 7.3 I will go start from here, go up to the curve, and this is the point, and then I'll go back. Yes, so it's coming. So this is going to be 24, and this is 0. So 24 minus 0 is 24. There are 24 terms in between 0 and 7.4, so sorry, 7.3, and the other one 8.2 greater than L greater than 9.9. This is greater 0 greater than L greater than 7.3. So longer than 8.2 mean we can put equal sign here without 8.2. And shorter than, so then yes, this is fine. 0 equal to 0 mean no meaning. Shorter than 7.3. What day we want to draw the box plot? I already jot down the values we need, so I'm going to put the layouts on. So we can follow the same 5.5, then 6.5, 7.5, 8.5, and 9. Then Q minimum is 6, so it is here going to be 6. This is 6, and maximum is 9. This is maximum. And Q1 is 7.1, 6.7, 7.1 somewhere here. And Q3 is 8, so it is going to be here. So then the box is complete. And the median finally 7.6 here. The box plot is complete. So length of uh, question number 3. This is about completing puzzles, men and women, the time taken. So this is the time frame, and then this is the frequency. So we'll find the cumulative frequency for men. So this is 2, 2 plus 14, 16, 16 plus 17, 33, 33 plus 14, 73, 40, 73 plus 7, 80. And frequency for women, so it's going to be 3, 3 plus 15, 18, 18 plus 21, 39, 39 plus 35, 74, and 74 plus 6, 80. Now this curve start from 50, 50, and then 6, 2, 6, 2, then 7, 1.16, 8, 9, 10, and 33, 73, and 80. So this is also starting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 0, 6. This one 3, 18, 39, 74, 80. So now we have to draw the cumulative graph. Now we'll start the men and the women. This one is start the 50, both graphs start 50, and 6, 2, and 6, 3. So this is 5, 6.2. The other one is women graph is 6.3. And 7.16, 7.18, 7.15. So blue graph is 16 and the green one is for ladies. And 8, 33, 39. This is 8. This is 35. 33 is somewhere here. And 39 is on top. And then 9, 73 and 74. It's very close, 9. This is 75 line. So 73. This is 79. This is 73 and 74. And then 10, 80 and 80. So the blue curve and the green curve. So blue one is for men and green one for women. Part B, which gender has the lower median time? So then 80 divided by 2 equals 40. So 40th term, when we draw 40th term, it is here. Then I can see that this is going to be women and this is going to be this value is going to be women and this value is going to be men. So median for M, let's say Q2. Q2 for men is 8.2 and Q2 for women is 8 approximately. Hence, women have the lower median. Hence, Part C, we want to find which gender the biggest spread of time. Basically, we need to find the interquartile range. So the Q1 is n divided by 4, 80 divided by 4, 20. So then 20th term, we need to find Q1 for men and Q1 for women. So let's find 20th term is here. So Q1 is going to be 7.2 and Q1 for women is going to be 7.1 and Q2 is n divided by times 3, which is 20 times 3, 60th term. So Q3 for men and Q3 for women. So 60th terms is here. So this is the point. Those are the 2 points. It will come down and this will come down too. Then for men it is going to be 8.9 and this is going to be 8.6, and then IQR mean Q3 minus Q1, so this is like men IQR 8.9 minus 7.2, which is 1.7, and women IQR Q3 minus Q1 8 point minus 7.1, that is 1.5, and so we can see this is 1.7 is bigger than 1.5, hence means have the greater spread of time. Part D, the qualifying time for the next round uh, of national competition is 7.4 minutes. Estimate the number of men and women. So now 7.5 in the middle. So we want to go now like this. Then one is going from here. So the other one is going from here. Uh, so men around 24. Men's around equal 24. And women around 28. Make sure that when you do this one, you have to do a proper drawing in a graph paper. This is just a presentation. This is kind of a pretending work, but you need a proper graph, and you have to do properly everything using a ruler. If you work like this, and you'll get a 0 marks almost. You need a proper drawing with the right scales and the proper lines and smooth curves. This is just a demonstration. It's difficult to draw in this one, so and take a lot of time. So question number 4. This is about weight of cats. So first of all, find the cumulative frequency for male. So this is going to be 1, 1 plus 12, 13, 13 plus 12, 33, 33 plus 27, 60, 60 plus 7, 67, and 70. And if female, so this is going to be 5, and 5 plus 17, 22, 22 plus 32, 54, 54 plus 12, 66, 66 plus 4, 70, 70 plus 0, 70. So there are no in this category for female. Now I'll plan the histogram. Okay, before that the coordinates is going to be 2.50 both, then 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5. So this is going to be 1, 13, 33, 60, 67, 70, and this one again 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5. So 3 is going to be 22, 54, 66, 70, something wrong, 5, 5 is missing here, 5, 22, 34, 66, 70, and 70. We'll start the 2.50 both at 2.50, and yeah, we should not circle. And when it's 3, one is 1, other one is 5. So male is 1, female is 5. And 3.5, 13, and 22. So this is 3.5 curve, 13 somewhere here, and 22. And when it's 4, wait for 33 and 34. That is very closer. That is very closer. This is 33. So 34 on top of, and 4.5, 60, and 66. So this is 60 and 66 on top. So 5.5, sorry, it's 5. When it's 5, 67 and 70. So 67 and 70. and this one 5, 5, 5, 7. Yeah. And this one blue line is going to be males, and for female this is for female and this is for male. And next question is, which gender has the greatest spread of mass? So basically we need to find IQR. So first of all, find the 70 divided by 2, 7 divided by 4. This is going to be 17.5 term, that is Q1 term. Q3 term is 70 divided by 4 multiplied by 3 is going to be 52.5. Now Q1 17.5 term, this is 15, 17.5 term, this one and this one. So Q1 for male is going to be 3.6 and Q1 for female is going to be 3.4, and then the 52.5 term, this is with blue, this is with the green. Q3 for male is going to be 4.4 and Q3 for female is going to be 0.6. So Q3 minus Q1 equal IQR. So 4.4 minus 3.6 equals 0.8. This is this value is going to be 4. This value is 54, so that's a small correction need to be done. So when it is 4, it has to be 54. It is going somewhere here. So this value is be about 4, and 4 minus 3.4, 0.6. So male have the we can see that when it is 54 and we need 52.5 value, we need 52.5 value. So then, but we took that is almost 4 with the drawing. So this value is almost 4, but if we have kind of 3.9, it is much better. 3.9, so it is much better. So it's going to be around 0.5, because 54 is 4, then 52.5 has to be less than 4 or equal to 4. So I guess value 3.9, much better value. But there is no guessing when you draw the graph properly. According to the graph, you have to answer. Sometimes, if you make a mistake on the graph, still you will get the method marks. If you guess, there is nowhere you are going to get. So, as I said, this is you have to draw a proper drawing on a graph paper with the scale. For this graph, if you do, you will get a 0 marks. This is just a presentation for you understand. The next question is we want to find the underweight cats. So female is underweight less than 3.8 kg, and male is underweight, female 3.2 and male 3.8. Which gender has fewer underweight cats? Right, so 3.2. Where's a 3.2 for female? Okay, we'll go to 3.2 somewhere here. So this is the female curve. 3.2. And I draw this one. So approximately about 12 cats. So male 3.8. Somewhere here. 3.8. So it's going to be around 25 cats. So then those are all underweight. Then answer is there are fewer female underweight cats. So this value is 12 and this value is around 25. So 25 and 12.